Students, you are welcome to our today's edition of online lesson. I am the math teacher of White Knight Academy, math teacher of the junior section of White Knight Academy, and my name is Mrs. Ukeni. Our topic today is proportion. A proportion is a relation between two variables in which one variable is a multiple of the other. Example, if 3 eggs cost 30 naira, find the cost of 5 eggs, 1 egg, 8 eggs. From the example, we can see that the two variables are egg and money. And their relationship is that as the number of eggs increase, the money we spend in buying the egg also increases. As the number of eggs increase, the money we spend in buying the egg also increases. That is the relationship. The variables are egg and money. And the relationship is that as the number of eggs increases, the money that we spend in buying the egg also increases. So, the ratio of egg to money spent is 30:3. This means that for 1 egg, we spend 10 naira. So, for 3 eggs, we spend 30 naira. That is 3 multiplied by 10. You see that this we said a proportion is a relationship. A proportion is a relationship between two variables. The variables in our example is egg and money, in which one variable is a multiple of the other. This money will be the multiple of egg. So 10 naira multiplied by any quantity of the egg will give us the amount we spend for that quantity. So for 3 eggs is 10 naira times 3, which is 30 naira. And for 5 eggs, it will be 10 naira times 5, which will give us 50 naira. And for 8 eggs, it will be 10 naira times 8 eggs, which will give us 80 naira. So, the money is the multiple of the egg. A proportion is a relation between two variables in which one variable is a multiple of the other. So, the money changes as the egg changes. Here, the money, which is a naira, is 10 times the number of eggs, just as I explained. 10 times the number of eggs. So, even if the egg is 100 eggs, it will be 10 times the number of eggs, 10 times 100, which will give us 1000. So, 10 is the multiple. You understand? So this type of variable, this type of relationship is what we call proportion. So 1 egg is 10 naira, 2 eggs is 20 naira, 3 eggs 30 naira, 4 eggs 40 naira, 8 eggs is 80 naira. Then in proportion we have what we call direct proportion, and we have what we also call indirect proportion. But for today, I'll talk more on direct proportion. Direct proportion. What is a direct proportion? A direct proportion is a direct proportion is a proportion in which one variable increases as the other variable increases. as the other variable increase. A direct proportion is a proportion in which one variable increases as the other variables increase. Example: the cost of 8 pence is 320 naira. Find the cost of 10 pence. I said the cost of 8 pence is 320 naira. Find the cost of 10 pence. Here, as the pence increase in number, the money to buy it also increases. It is direct. That means the two variables are moving in the same direction. They are changing in the same ratio. They are changing in the same direction. That is what we call direct proportion. A direct proportion is a proportion in which one variable increases as the other variable increases. As a variable is increasing, the other one increases too. If it is decreasing, the other one decreases. So what happens to variable A also happens to variable B. If there's increase in variable A, there will be increase in variable B. And there's decrease in variable A, there will be a decrease in variable B. There will be exact proportion decrease in variable B. So it is direct proportion. Direct proportion. So here, as the pen increases in number, the money to spend it also increases. So 8 pence costs 320 naira. 1 pen will cost 320 divided by 8, which will give us 40 naira. So 1 pen 14 will give us 40 naira. 8 pence will give us more amount, which is 8 times 4. 8 times 40, which is 329. So 2 pence will cost 40 naira times 2 naira times 2. 40 naira times 2. 2 pence will cost 40 naira times 2, which will give us 80 naira. So the cost of 2 pence is 80 naira. The cost of 3 pence is 40 naira times 3 pence, which will give us 120 naira. And this goes on. So therefore, 10 pence will cost 40 naira times 10, which will amount to 400 naira. In a direct proportion, the variables are changing in the same ratio. The variables changes in the same ratio. The variables are changing in the same ratio. Example 2. If 7 days makes a week, how many days make 2 weeks? If 7 days make a week, how many days will make 2 weeks? One week is 7 days. 2 weeks is 2 times 7, which is 14 days. Classwork. If it takes a student who is walking at a steady speed to cover a distance of 5 km per hour, State how many kilometers he will cover in 2 hours, in 3 hours, in 4 hours, and in 5 hours. Here comes the end of our lesson for today. As I said, our next topic will expatiate more on proportion and discuss on inverse proportion or indirect proportion. Thank you.